Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can move your WordPress website to Hostinger. Let's say you have a WordPress site hosted on a different hosting provider and you want to change it to Hostinger. You can do that by watching this video. So after watching this video, you will be able to move your entire website to Hostinger without affecting any of your website's content. And the best part is, your site will be online throughout the process and there will not be any downtime. So let's get started. I'm Brian from Website Learners and let's migrate our WordPress website to Hostinger. First, let's see the website which we are going to move. Here it is. Now this is the site that we are going to migrate to. Now you can see all the pages and their content. Now before we move this site to Hostinger, let's see where our site is hosted right now. So to check that, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. This is the page where you can find your current hosting provider. Now to find the hosting of your site, here enter your website's URL. So just go to your site, copy this URL, then paste it here. Now if you click find hosting, you can see where the site is hosted right now. And as you can see, our site is now hosted on GoDaddy. So now that you know your current hosting provider, next let's see how we can move the site to Hostinger. So to move the site, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to get your new hosting on Hostinger. So to get the new hosting, just click the first link below this video and it will take you to Hostinger's page. Now if we scroll down, here you can select the plan you want based on your need. I'm going to choose this one as we can create up to 100 websites and we can get good storage space and free domain as well. So just click here and here you need to choose how long you want the hosting for. As you can see, for 48 months, we're getting a lesser price and the renewal charge is also less. And we are also getting an extra 2 months for free. So I'm going to select 48 months. And once you've chosen that, scroll down. And here you can create your account by signing into Google or you can enter your email here. I'm going to enter my email address. And now finally, select the payment method you want. I'm going to choose credit card. So let's enter our card details here. Now we at Website Learners have partnered with Hostinger to give you an exclusive coupon code which will give you a 10% discount on your purchase. So to get the 10% discount, just click here and enter the code WL10. Now if you click apply, you can see that we've got a 10% discount. Click submit. Now to complete the payment, just enter your card details and click pay now. And you can see that we've successfully purchased the hosting. Okay, once you've got your hosting in Hostinger, we can now go to step 2, which is to transfer your WordPress site from your old host to Hostinger. So to transfer the site, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to provide our WordPress login details to Hostinger. So to provide that, click setup and click start now. Now as I already have a website, I'm going to select this. Now you will get these 2 options. As we are going to migrate our site, let's select this. Now you can either upload your website files or let Hostinger transfer your website. I'm going to let Hostinger transfer my website. So let's select this. Now we are going to provide our WordPress login details. First, we need to enter the URL of our WordPress login page. So to get it, let's go to our site. Now go to the WordPress login page. Just type /wp-admin here. And you can see that we have got our WordPress admin login page. Now just copy this URL and paste it here. Next here, enter the username and password of your WordPress website and click submit request. Okay, so now we have submitted our WordPress login details. Once you've done that, we can now go to the next step, which is to add your domain to Hostinger. To do that, here you can see that we have different options. If you want to create a new domain, you can use these options. If you want to add your existing domain, you can select this. So just click here, then enter your domain name and click continue. Here you can see the details of your domain. So again click continue and here select the server location where you want to host your website. When selecting the server location, it is important to consider the location of your target audience. For example, if most of your website's visitors are located in the United States of America, you need to select the server location as the US so that your website loads faster for those visitors. So based on your target audience, you can select the location of your server. So just click here and select the server location you want. I'm going to choose Asia and click change. Then click finish setup. And you can see that your website is being transferred to Hostinger. So after some time, if we go to our inbox and open this mail, you can see that our migration is now complete. So this means we have successfully transferred our site to Hostinger. To check that, let's go back to the hosting finder tool. And now if we type our domain name and click find hosting, you can see that our site is now hosted on GoDaddy, which is our old host. Now even though we've transferred all the files from our old host to Hostinger, our domain still points to the old host and loads our site from there. And that's why it still shows GoDaddy here. So to load our site from the new host, we need to point our domain to the new host. Now to point our domain to the new host, we need to add the IP address of the new host to our domain. So let's go to the final step, which is to add the new IP address to the domain. Now to get the new IP address, let's go back to Hostinger. Click Manage Site. Then click Domains and click Manage. Now click Connect Domain and click here. And you can see that we've got the IP address. Now we need to copy this IP address and then add it to our domain provider. Since our domain is with GoDaddy, let's sign into GoDaddy. So just click here and sign into your GoDaddy account. Now here you will find the domain of your website. To add the IP address of this domain, let's select it. Then click here. Select Edit Name Servers. And here you can see that we have the IP address of the old host. Now before you change this to the Hostinger's IP address, make sure you take a note of these old name servers so that you can use it in case you want to go back to your old host. Now I'm going to copy this and then save it to my notepad. Once you have saved the old IP address, click here and we need to add the IP address of the new host. To do that, let's go back to Hostinger. So first let's copy this, then go back and paste it here. Next, let's copy this and paste it here. Once you have done that, click Save and click Continue. Okay, so now we've successfully added the new IP address to our domain. Now if we go back to Hosting Finder, you can see that previously our site was hosted on GoDaddy. Now if we click Find Hosting, you can see that our website is now hosted on Hostinger. So this means we have successfully moved our site from the old host to Hostinger. So now if we open a new tab and go to our site, you can see that it has the same content which we had before and all the pages are working. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how you can move your website to Hostinger. Once you move your site, make sure you check all the pages and see if everything loads perfectly. If everything is working fine, then you can stop or cancel the subscription of the old host. Now if you're finding any issues with your site, you can always reach out to Hostinger's customer support as they provide 24/7 chat support. Or if you want to revert back to your old host, you can also do that as they provide a 30-day money-back guarantee. So start migrating your site to Hostinger by clicking the link below this video. And make sure you subscribe to Website Learners for more videos like this. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.